Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of fractions and decimals. This is 6th question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So part A is 3 into 5 is to 1 by 5. So इसे हम improper fraction में convert कर लेंगे. So 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5 is equal to 3 6 are 18. Then 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 78 by 5 is equal to 5 ones are 5, then 5 5s are 25, remainder 3 upon 5. Then part B is 5 into 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 upon 4 is equal to 5 7s are 35, 5 2s are 10 upon 4 is equal to 4 2s are 4 3s are 12 and 4 3s are 12, remainder 3 upon 4. Part C is 7 into 4 into 2 8 plus 1 9 by 4 is equal to 7 9s are 63 upon 4 is equal to 4 1s are 4, then 23, 4 5s are 20, so 15 is to 3 by 4. Then part D, 4 into 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. So 19 into 4, 76 upon 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6, then 16, so 3 5s are 15, 1 remainder and 3. So 20 is to 1 by 3. So I take our first 25 is to 1 by 3. Then part E, 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 into 6. So it's 78 by 4. So 2 से cancel out हो जाएगा. 2 टाइम 2 से 2 3s are 6. Then 2 9s are 18. Then 2 1s are 2. Then 2 9s are 18. So 19 is to 1 by 2. Then part F, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 by 5 into 8 is equal to, so 136 by 5 is equal to 27 is to 1 by 5. 27 time complete divide हो जाएगा, so 1 remainder, so 27 is to 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction of 17 by 5 into 8. Thank you.